Namaskar everyone. Here is I am, a homemaker turned into entrepreneur by an inspiration. Every second, somewhere in India, a woman silently living with anemia. In fact, more than 1 in 2 women in our country are suffering from anemia. I think that was just a data until I realized I was one of them. I had low iron level, I experienced the fatigue, the silent struggle that so many women experience every day. And that's when it hit me. This is not just a data, it was something personal. It is personal. Now think about this. We are the largest milk producer in the world, but still many of the women and children are still undernourished. Why it is so? Is production is our problem or not getting right nutrition is our problem? That question triggers me. I tell you, in 2009, I faced a moment. I had to lose very close to me to cancer. And that painful journey didn't just leave me with the grief. It left me with a question, what we are getting today. If we are getting the right nutrition in our daily life, and slowly I began to understand that cows are the essential. Cows are the main point, and they are not only the animals, they are the right keys of the nutrition. From the cows, we can get organic manure to conserve our soil, and we people can get organic food. So, by only the dairy, we can have anything from the cows. That realization led me to step into dairy. And dairy taught me the system, the disciplines, and it taught me learn from the ground level. It taught me how nutrition daily impact for the life of humans and animals both. India produces massive amount of milk, but I noticed something really contradicting. Even when milk productions are high, health outcomes were not at the same pace. As we moved from treatment to preventive care, our focus shifted to one simple question. And that contradiction stayed with me for a long. And in search of that answer, we found moringa, a very simple plant, an Asian plant with powerful energy, rich in iron, calcium, and essential multivitamins. What dairy gives me was not just a business, it gave me direction. Sometimes your first journey is not your real destination. It is preparing you for your real purpose. And that's how I feel. Because dairy gave me a purpose for getting the right nutrition. From there, learning became my daily habits. No big classroom, no perfect roadmap, with unanswered questions and just curiosity and consistency. By learning more and more about moringa and how we can get the right nutrition, that skill gave me confidence, and my confidence led to the action, and that action created impact. That journey became my venture, dairy venture or organic business venture. And today, through our moringa based solution, we have impacted life of so many women and children, from generation till generations, from my grandmother, from mother, daughter, and similar. And we are helping nutrition and find anemia. But let me be honest, starting is hard, but scaling is harder because we have moved through a new transformations. Because scaling is not something about doing more, it's about becoming more. Every challenges demanded new skills. Even my Moringa journey also demanded new skills. We have, we have to inbuild the innovations, understanding markets, and building trust and partnerships. I'm letting you know because the topic of today is skill to scale. And I learned all the skills by the time from a ground level. And each time I learned something new, and my impact grew. And here is the biggest shift. We often think scaling requires big money, big networks, big opportunities. But the truth is, scaling requires becoming better, not just bigger. Skill changes how you think, how you learn, how you react, how you lead, and most importantly, how many lives you can impact. For women especially, this matters deeply because many are waiting for the permission, for the right support, for the grants. But the truth is, skill is your identity. Skill is your independence. And with a woman like me who turned my entrepreneurial journey from homemaker to entrepreneurship, but yes, still I learn day to day. So today, if you remember one thing from my journey, I did not start with the resources. I started it with learning. That learning became skill, and skill gave me the confidence. And that confidence turns into impact. If you remember how I started, I was one of them who are suffering from the anemia, and and I said, a woman struggling silently, living with low iron, with unanswered question. But today I stand here, not as the person who are sufferer, but the person as someone who choose to learn, act, and create impact. So I want to leave you with a question. What skills are you building today for creating your better tomorrow? Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to feel ready. Start small, start consistently, and grow intentionally. I want to share you a story how I will be here because from scratch I started with the no resources, and today here I am with a big platform and an audience like you. So my journey is a powerful story of an example of skill to scale. Thank you so much.